While hard to believe, users across many of the world's essential industries still operate using 30-year-old protection systems for critical production assets like compressors, turbines, generators, and others. However, installing a new modern protection plus prediction system can be much easier and cost-effective than you may think. Emerson's AMS 6500 ATG is a proven API 670 solution to protection system modernization. With a long track record of success, we make it easy to modernize. See for yourself. As seen here, the AMS 6500 ATG easily slots into existing cabinetry and rack footprint and can very often reuse existing cables and sensors from a legacy system. And just like that, you now have your ultra-modern, proven, and long-term supported protection system in place. But not only that, you're now ready to introduce advanced prediction capabilities with embedded OPC UA for connectivity to systems like DCS, PLC, Historian, or HMI. And using our ATG View mobile app, users can view critical asset health anywhere on the plant network. With 40-plus years of experience in the design and installation of protection systems, we boast a modern alternative to protecting your critical assets. AMS 6500 ATG allows users to confidently and cost-effectively introduce predictive intelligence while modernizing existing older protection systems. Visit us online or speak with your Emerson representative to get started today.